Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix player history and website data uh, option grayed out on Safari on iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you try to clear search history and website data on Safari iPhone iOS 26 and you see that it is grayed out, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close the page, and after closing the page you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to setting, and in settings you have to go to general. So in general you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to the settings again, and this time you have to check whether now it is showing clear history and website data or not. If it is still not showing, then you have to simply open the Safari, and after that you have to try to open some pages, and after that you have to check whether that website and clear history option shows on your iPhone iOS 26 settings or not. So for this you have to simply go to settings. So this time you have to simply open the apps, and in apps you have to go for the Safari history, and here you have to click on that. And after that you see here is the option available here, clear history and website data. So after that you will see that that grade option is not available, and you will be able to clear your history and website data from your iPhone. So here are the option available. You can clear history from the last hour, today and yesterday, and you can also clear the all history. So moreover, you can also close the tab. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.